The world is calling you to discover new things and to help those in need. Answer that call with a Doctor of Pharmacy degree at Campbell University. Build your foundation of knowledge and develop your skills through patient-centered experiences inside and outside the classroom. Our educators have clinical, community, and industry experience across many disciplines. Along with our 4-year program, we offer innovative dual degree options to hone your professional development in an interdisciplinary setting, making you a valuable team member in a complex healthcare environment. Our campus is a mix of traditional and modern facilities with access to state-of-the-art simulation and anatomy labs. And our campus experience is full of life with student organizations, campus activities, Division I athletics, and a rich history dating back to 1887. Campbell University is uniquely positioned near the largest research park in the country. The cities of Raleigh, Durham, and Chapel Hill make up the Research Triangle, which is only 40 minutes from campus, allowing our students the opportunity to participate in clinical rotations at some of the premier institutions in the world. You'll also experience what life is like in one of the most desired regions to live in the United States. When you choose the Doctor of Pharmacy degree at Campbell University, be prepared to win competitions, pass the boards, gain a residency, and get hired. When you trust you're getting the best education with the best opportunities, you can focus on what matters most and live your calling. The Doctor of Pharmacy degree at Campbell University. Find out more at campbell.edu.